Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Drew back with another tutorial, and for today's lesson I'll be teaching you how to play My USO by standard. So this is what it's going to sound like. So what I did there is I just lifted my middle finger and it gave it that sort of different tune. And this is optional. You can add this part. So all I did was I just hit the fifth string and hit the sixth string. And then I placed this finger right here and I hit it, but then I let go of it while still holding this down. So we go again. So we want to come down to the first fret. So first finger, middle finger, ring finger. One finger over here. And over here, you're going to place your index finger right here, and your middle finger on the third string on the second fret. So you're going to hit these strings. So the bass will be this one. Depending on how comfortable you are with your fingers, if you want to hit it with two, hit the bass and the two strings down here, or if you can use your three fingers with the bass. Gives it that extra sound. So, and I'm going to leave my index finger. I'm going to place my ring finger on this fret, on this string, and also my middle finger is going to go to the bass line, which gives me this note. So again, have a play with it. So bass string, third, fourth, and fifth string. And I really like this chord. So this chord is, I want to place my ring finger on this string right here. Place my middle finger. I'm going to skip that string and I want to go to the string, the third string right here on the same fret. I'm going to get my middle finger right here and I'm going to place it right here on this one. And on my index finger, I'm going to place that index finger right on the first fret. So and then either you do a C. It might be your best option right now. So here's a C. So index finger, not on the last one, but on the, sorry, not on the first one, but the second. Sorry, not the second. What am I saying? So you're going to put your index finger right here on the second string. You're going to miss that string. You're going to go to the next one. You're going to put your middle finger and then your ring finger right here. So that's a C. put it all together, this is what it's going to sound like. Oh my gosh, sorry, I played that all wrong. Okay, so this is what it's going to sound like. I won't add in the little effects or whatever I do with my fingers. I'll play it as simple as possible so that you guys know what I've been teaching you guys. So. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll leave the tabs in the description below so you guys can practice. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one.